Great to be here in San Diego. Our guys are excited. It's a terrific opportunity for us with the game tomorrow. Stephen F. Austin has had a terrific season, and Coach Underwood and his players just done a phenomenal job. So for us, it'll be a heck of a challenge, and we're excited to be here. Four guys at a time, just trying to break pressure against guys.
I mean, at this time of the year, seedings don't matter. We just saw Ohio State lose today, and so, if you go by seedings, that wasn't supposed to happen. So we just got to make sure we're ready to go tomorrow.
So we just want to keep moving them forward and let the guys know we believe in them. So the confidence, I believe, comes from that.
Hey!